Hello, I am Alexander. For the development of this video, I am asked to tell you about my ideal hobby. So, my ideal hobby is focused building my work company, a transport company, where I can generate a source of employment wherein I can guarantee of stability with the best possible conditions. I train at currently we work is despite having maneuverings we have left access the family part. Something important for good or developing the salary had I would like to have work because to be able to manage the vast needs of my family, such as food, shelter, on education, the facts of being the warning on my company marks on work with humility but above all fire with simplicity. Thank you.